Hello and welcome to my studio. I sew and do all kinds of art, and so you get to see my ironing board in the background with my fabric, and you'll probably see little doggies running in and out. That's Oreo and Apple. Welcome to Bible Journaling 101. I'm super excited that you're here. Whether you've already Bible journaled a little bit or not, I think this class is gonna be for you. I really do. I think it's gonna be really fun. I think if you've Bible journaled before, you're gonna get some things out of it, maybe that you haven't done before or seen before, tips on some different things. And then if you've never Bible journaled, you might be a little overwhelmed with the information, but that's why these videos are broken down into small segments. So in the videos, we'll start with supplies, then we'll move on to different techniques. And we'll break it down. So anyway, I think you're gonna love it, and I can't wait to see you in class.